Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to export Binance trade history. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and type in binance.com and click on enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, click on the icon which is right next to your profile icon. Hover your mouse to it there and find transaction history option. Click on it. Then you will find all of your transaction history on this interface. After that, you can see an export button at the top right corner of your screen. Hover your mouse to it and you can find export transaction record here. You can also export deposit history. Click on it to export. Now select the time range from here and select your account. After that, you can also select coins from here. After that, click on Generate button. Here, you can see that your history is been generating. So that is how you can export Binance trade history. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.